This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. LUVE evaporators to support 1.5 megawatts transcritical CO2. Cooling system for Spanish data center by J.O. Haraldson. Published April 3, 2026. Italian air heat exchanger manufacturer LUV Group has supplied evaporators for a 1.5 megawatt, 426.5 tons of refrigeration, transcritical CO2 system to cool a 1,000 square meters, 10,760 square feet, data center in Paterna, Spain. This is the first time in Spain, and among the earliest in the world, that a CO2 natural refrigerant has been employed for a large-scale data center, LUV said, adding that it specifically developed the evaporators for the project. The details: CO2 systems, integrated with geothermal fields in the Valencian region, cool the data center equipment while supplying recovered waste heat to the local district heating network. LUVE supplied 34 evaporators, 64 dual airflow evaporators, and 4 angular air coolers, with the industrial air coolers designed for medium and high-temperature CO2 applications. The systems extract hot air generated by the data center and direct cooled airflow toward the IT equipment racks. Powering the system with the geothermal field will help maintain CO2 at its most efficient temperature during the hottest months, LU-VE said. Mission Critical, the new Paterna Tactica Business Park facility, developed by Kumo Networks, a subsidiary of El Corte Inglés, meets Tier 4 standards for continuous data center operation. With fault-tolerant infrastructure and redundant components, the facility operates 99.995% of the time, with a maximum downtime of 26.6 minutes a year, according to LUV. Other news: LUVE US recently expanded its Jacksonville, Texas facility from 70,000 square feet, 6,500 square meters, to 290,000 square feet, 27,000 square meters, allowing it to produce all of its CO2 outdoor units in the U.S., including gas coolers, condensers, and dry coolers, according to Tommaso Scavone, Senior Sales Manager for North America. In March, the company produced its first ventilated unit in the expanded facility. LUVE-US has officially begun production of its first customer order, confirming immediate demand and strong confidence in the U.S. market, the company said. The manufacturer's experience with CO2 dates back to 2004, when it supplied air heat exchangers for an experimental supermarket, Transcritical CO2 refrigeration system in Wettingen, Switzerland. Future-proof solutions amid rapid global growth in data center construction, Atmosphere, publisher of naturalrefrigerants.com, assessed manufacturing capabilities in its first-ever Clean Cooling for Data Centers 2025 report. Mechanical cooling technology using natural refrigerants includes chillers using propane, CO2, and ammonia, as well as CO2, CRAC, computer room air conditioner, units. High-temperature heat pumps, including those using hydrocarbons, can also be used to provide server cooling and for the reuse of waste heat in district heating networks,